Hey Dennis, how
Dylan.
you doing?
Oh, not too bad. How are you?
I'm doing good, my friend. Hey, sorry, so I had the start broadcast going because it's been a while since I've used it.
Oh, no worries.
Live right now, just so you know.
Oh, right on.
All right. So on this, do we just go through the group quiz together and work on that? Do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
All right,
Let me bring mine up.
perfect. Yeah, it wasn't too bad on the first lesson.
Yeah, I got through the first, and then I didn't do the second because I figured I have to do something for the end of the week. So I was like, I'll just wait on it.
Okay. Right on.
And I figured that we were gonna do this one on this meeting, and then the next one on the next meeting. So, like,
Yeah. That's
why
what you
get so ahead?
Yeah. Do you have anything you needed or wanted to review real quick before we open the quiz?
Let me get to it first. It's this one. No, I think I'm pretty good on this one. I keep losing it, so
That's okay.
this new website's kind of not good. It bounces all over the place.
Yeah, like how it has the tabs up at the top and everything. That one.
Yeah, well, it just everything is not in the same spot, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I even have it on written down. Statistical process and design studies, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got these written down.
Perfect.
All right, let me go back to this. Yeah, so is it just me and you, or we got somebody else too?
So there's someone else in our group, but he didn't provide his phone number, so I emailed them yesterday, and I haven't had a response yet.
Oh, okay.
And then I invited him through his email, and he's not here, so
Nice. Well,
I guess we'll find out.
got to do what we got to do.
Yep. Stay busy. All right,
No worries.
so we'll just open the quiz and go through it. Is that what you
Yeah,
want to
sounds
do?
good to me. I'm opening it up right now.
Sweet. Me too.
All right. Hopefully the quiz is like the homework.
Yeah. Yeah. I hope it's not bad.
Okay. No, it's not. It's gonna make us think.
That's okay. At least it's unlimited. Unlimited time. Sorry.
Yeah, we got 2 hours to do it, so it'll be all
Yeah.
right.
There's 15 questions. So is your number one that I completed the individual prep?
Yeah, so 1, 2. Guess it starts at 3.
Okay.
Researchers would like to determine if the material consists. That's your design, isn't it?
Um, yeah, just let me see.
Or collecting data?
Yeah, it's designed to study because
Collecting the data would be the which one it is. If it's going to be a observational or an experiment, right?
yeah, and then design the study. It says something about the population. It says what kind of data needs to be collected and what needs to be done to answer the research question.
Yeah, there we go. There's one down.
Yeah.
Research has collected the results of a survey.
think that's described the data.
That's what I think too. I was kind of questioning between that and collect the data, but I think that's when she has all the people. So that's where you have your systematic samples and your random samples and everything would be collecting the data, correct?
Yeah, and then it says she then creates a histogram and describes the data creating graphs.
We'll know in a second.
Yeah, hopefully it keeps going good like this, huh?
Yeah. Well, this one's not hard. I know later on it gets really hard. Like the next one, I think is going to be a little bit harder because you get into mean, median, and mode, and then you get into statistical inferences. And yeah, that one got me in my last math class. So this one will be fun on this one.
Yeah. Classic.
That's the citizens Mumbai, isn't it?
Yes.
I think I had one in the homework that was like that.
Yeah, that's what I saw too. So I'm pretty sure the population is like everyone.
Yeah. Does it say marketing research firm has been asked by a prominent fast food restaurant to help determine if the citizens of Mumbai would support this fast food business. So yeah, it would be the citizens of Mumbai.
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh, did I just what? Is it the same? Oh, the population and then the sample. Okay. So the sample would be the 1049 that responded.
Yeah, because there's a portion that are participants. Wait, let's see.
Yeah.
Sample. Would the sample be the 3,000 people that were selected though?
No, samples how many you have in it, I think. So your population would be your population is what it represents as a total, and then you have your sample is how many people are in it.
Perfect. Oh, so the subjects, that's probably what I'm thinking. The subjects are participants in a study.
Yeah.
So that'd be the 3,000 per subject.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to
think so.
1049.
Studies have shown retention of 15 minutes. Ooh, it put numbers in it. That's not fair.
Yeah. Okay. So basically the biggest question is your teacher then gives you a short 10-question quiz where your score out of 10 is recorded.
So yeah, basically which one is it, quantitative or categorical? Quantitative means it has a number behind it. Category means it's in a class or a category.
Okay, like a label. Okay.
Yeah, so the numbers don't mean anything. You know, that's basically what it says. And if quantitative, the numbers actually mean something, then it'll be a quantitative study. Categorical, it's everybody's grouped into something, but there's not a number behind it.
So the number 8 is basically the same thing. At the bottom it says he then records the response a yes or no, not sure. So that'd be categorical.
Yeah.
Cool. Number 9.
You said categorical for 7 too, right?
For number 7, I said quantitative. So for number 7, since the score represents a percentage,
yeah,
you can record that as a number.
Yeah.
Like you said, and then number 8, I did categorical because it's a label or a description.
Yeah. Okay. I'm good with that.
Perfect.
I don't know. I want to say control group.
So, yeah, so the treatment definition says the new or experimental condition that is imposed on the subjects. And the control group is used for comparison to the treatment group. So, I think it's control group also.
Yeah. Yeah, because she wants to test the hypothesis. She wants to see if it's right. Researchers study to claim to review this. Suppose your teacher wanted to test this and invite you to participate in the study. So she's trying to see if her study matches the other study.
Yeah.
So yeah, that would be a control group.
Okay.
Experimental design.
So I think it'd be the second one because experimental is when the researcher has control
Yeah.
of the conditions.
Yeah. The way I always remember it is if it's an experiment. It seems like it's always an experiment when it comes up with experimental design. So anything that has to do with science and drugs and all of that, it's generally under that label.
Okay, that's a good way to remember. I like that. So I think it's the third one for the number 11.
Yep, I agree with you.
Perfect.
Because in the test, the homework, they had the BYU version of that.
Yeah. Right.
And almost the same thing. They just put Mumbai instead of BYU.
Yeah. I should have printed my homework, darn it.
Yeah, really. I just wrote my homework down.
Experimental units. So basically, it's what are we experimenting? And,
Yeah. Yeah.
would that be the vaccine?
Yep. That's the way I look at it.
Right.
Because it would be the subjects if it was the children. And the administrators are the testers, and the parents have nothing to do with it.
Yeah, just try them.
The treatments. Oh, maybe. Now that they put it like that, geez.
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, my homework.
So for the definition of treatment, the other one that I had was variables that describe or explain the changes in the response variable.
So that would be the number of incidences into the virus, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm sure that the experimental would be the vaccine or the placebo. So, and since we know that that's the experiment, then the treatment has to be whatever it does, correct?
Yeah, so I don't know, there's two things. So the treatment, it's either it's the new or experimental condition that is imposed on the subjects, which would be the vaccine or the placebo, right? And then the other definition that I saw in the reading was variables that describe or explain the changes in the response variable. So, shoot, either A or D.
I almost want to go with A, but let's look.
Yeah.
We can always go back to that one.
Okay.
Let's see if we can find it in the page in the homework. So
I'm going to do 14, 15 and come back.
Yeah, let's go back to that one.
All right, sweet.
Oh, sorry. I got lost.
Yeah, it's a long one.
Yeah.
So this one, number 14, would be experiment because observational studies, they just observe without controlling the conditions. And since they're splitting them up into groups, they're controlling.
Yeah. I totally agree with you on that. I think. Well, it has to be. Yeah, that's what they say. It's given a chance to move to impoverished areas. To determine if people were getting out of the poor neighborhoods would reduce the poverty level in the U.S.
Yeah, and like you said, that they were randomly assigned. So
yeah,
what people chose.
I'll go with that.
Sweet. Oh, right on. I like number 15. So step 1 would be number 3. Step 5 would be number 2. Step 4 would be number 4. Oh, wait. Sorry. Step 4 would be number 5. Step 2 would be number 1. And step 3 would be number 4.
Oh.
So 3, 2, 5, 1, 4. Do you agree with that one?
What was that? I'm sorry.
You agree with the order of 3, 2, 5, 1, 4?
5, 1, 4. Sounds good to me. Yeah, because 1 is step 1, 4, describe the data. Step 2 is design the study. Well,
No, step 1 is design the study.
yeah, step 1 is design the study. Okay, so
Yeah.
all right. Step 2 is number 3. Wait, what am I doing here?
So they
Design the
mix,
study. Here we go. I'm sorry. Step 2 is collect the data.
Yep.
1. Step 3 is
Describe the data.
Describe the data.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right. And then make inferences and take action, right?
Yep.
Wait. Step 4. Step 5. And 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, right?
No, I got 3, 2, 5, 1, 4. Because if you look right next to it, they mixed up. They said step 1, step 5, step 4, step 2, and step 3.
Yeah. So what's your top number? Is it step 2?
No, mine is step 1.
Yeah. See, mine says step 2 at the top. Tricky
They
people.
clicked us.
Yeah, that's why I was like, wait a second, that doesn't make sense.
Okay.
So yeah, so step 1 would be
Design the study.
design the study. Step 2 would be collect the data.
Yep.
Step 3
Step 3.
would be describe the data.
Uh-huh.
Step 4, make inferences.
Yeah.
And then step 5, take action.
Yep. That's what I got.
All right, sounds good to me. Now on to this one.
Those guys trying to trick us, man. All right,
telling
13.
I'm like, yeah, okay, that didn't make sense. All right, wait. You say we can do this as a group and then make it different. That makes sense.
Yep. Hopefully they watch this recording, right?
Yeah, just so you can sit there and, just sweat it and go, no, that ain't right. That's not right. You can't have it. No.
Yeah.
Oh, I get you now.
Spend an extra 20 minutes.
Yeah, try to trick me. All right, let's go into our individual. Let's see. All right, we're looking for hey, we're right on that one. We are.
Yeah.
This one. Okay, treatments.
Yeah, I think you're right too. The number of instances of the virus.
What's that?
I think we're right on the number of incidences of the virus because I was looking at what a response variable is,
Uh,
and it's the variable that changes or responds to the treatment.
yeah.
And the treatment definition is variable that describes or explains changes to the response variable. So,
Feel good with it?
yeah, I'm good.
Sweet. Let's see what we did. Go to submit it. Don't. I'm gonna have to go all the way to the bottom to find out.
Yeah,
Oh,
mine's so slow.
Missed two. We missed both of them.
Ah, dang it.
Yeah.
Shoot.
You'll have to figure that one out.
It only gets harder, right?
Yeah, it only gets harder. Don't worry about it. So, if it was the subjects, it would be the children on the top one. So 12.
So basically, we just got to change them, huh?
Yeah, and then that one would be what are your treatments? Would be the vaccine or placebo. Okay. Maybe I misread that one. That was my bad then.
No, you're good.
I thought it was just looking for the experimental unit.
Yeah. Oh man, it's mine too because I was reading the definition of response variable too, but I don't know. There's like two different definitions for treatment. So.
Yeah, we'll get it. I ain't worried about it. It's only the first one.
Right on. Yeah, that's true. So, is your schedule open on Wednesdays also at 4:30 or not?
No, I'm off on Mondays, Sundays, and Mondays. So Wednesdays, anytime after 4-ish, I'm usually home. Well, 4 my time, so 5 your time.
Yeah. So I'm Pacific also, so I'm going like right now it's 5 o'clock for me too. So.
Yeah. See, it's almost 7 right now.
Oh, really?
I'm in Texas. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So.
Dang.
Yeah, it's already 7 o'clock. So that's why I was looking at the times and scheduling it because I was like, all right, well, I'm good. But anytime that you want, man, just let me know. I can get on my phone at least. Okay. And if you want to do it during the middle of the day or whatever, I'll sneak away and get on the phone. But okay. A lot of times I won't have most of my homework with me, but we'll be able to do something.
Yeah. I'll try to do my best to stick to this time for you so we can hopefully have a good schedule.
Yeah.
I'm usually off about 4 my time, so it's about half hour after, or I get off about half hour before we start.
Okay.
So I guess
if you want to do it a little later, just text me and let me know. That's fine with me because Wednesdays it's always hit or miss with what time I get home, but for the most part I'm before 4 my time, so 6 your time, or 2 your time.
Yeah, 2. Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, whenever you're ready, just let me know.
Perfect. Sounds good.
And I mean, if we get the other guy to come in, that would be good too. So then we can kind of coordinate a little bit even more.
Yeah, I'll keep looking out for him and see if I can get a hold of him still.
Awesome.
I'm usually pretty good with text, so if you have any questions, just shoot me a text.
Okay. No, I appreciate it, man. Nice meeting you.
You too, Dennis.
All right. Have a good evening, man.
All right, thanks.
Bye.
Yeah.